How to set up inventory in QuickBooks. As a business owner, you need to keep track of all the inward and outward movement of your products. This may not be possible manually all the time. QuickBooks' inventory feature helps you to track quantity, check sales revenue, and the cost of goods sold. In this video, you will learn how to turn on inventory tracking, how to add inventory items. Let's get going. Let's first enable inventory tracking. To do this, go to the gear icon at the top right. Under Settings, go to Company Settings. On the left navigation bar, click Sales. Select the pencil located on the right side of Products and Services. Check the box which says Track Inventory Quantity on Hand and click Save. Now, click Done. Inventory tracking has been turned on. Now, let's create some inventory items. Go to the gear icon on the top right. Under the Lists menu, select Products and Services. You can see all your products and services on this page. Let's create a new item. Click New. You need to select a type for your new item. Since we are creating inventory items, select Inventory in case you haven't enabled your inventory from Company Settings. This inventory option will be shaded. You can simply click on it to enable it here. Give a name for your product, for example, books. You can also upload an image here. To do this, click the pencil icon located below the image placeholder. Select your image and click Open. Your image has been uploaded. Add the SKU and HSM codes for your product or service. SKU, which stands for Stock Keeping Unit, is a number assigned to a product by the company for stock keeping purposes and inventory operations. HSM, or Harmonized System of Nomenclature, is an internationally adopted classification system for goods. Click on the drop-down list under Unit and select how you want to measure this product. Numbers are a suitable unit to measure books, so let's use that. If you do not want your invoices to say numbers, which is a government-defined unit name or quantity code, you can choose to define your custom code. For example, if you want your customers to see numbers as the unit name, go ahead and add it here. This will be shown in your invoices. Click on the drop-down list under Category and choose one. In case you want to create a new one, select Add New. Give a new name for your category and click on Save. Enter the initial quantity of the inventory items you have on hand. In the As of Date field, enter the date from which you want to start tracking this inventory item. Remember that you cannot save a transaction with an inventory item in QuickBooks if the date entered on the transaction involving this inventory item comes before the As of Date. In the Low Stock Alert field, enter the minimum quantity of the inventory item you want to have in stock. This is used to prevent shortage of stock. Choose an inventory asset from the Inventory Asset Account drop-down list, or you can add a new one by clicking on Add New. Enter the sales or purchasing information, depending on whether you are selling or buying this product. Let's say we are selling, so we will fill in the sales information. Enter the sales information and price and select an income account. If your inventory item is inclusive of tax, check the box next to it. Click on the drop-down arrow under Tax and choose the tax applicable. Select Save and Close. You have successfully created a new inventory item. If you recall, You have entered a low stock alert earlier. If your stock is between 0 and the low stock alert value, it will show up in the low stock under Products and Services. The same applies for the items which have run out of stock. As you can see, there is low stock alert for one item. Click on low stock to see which item is low in stock. You can see all your products which are low in stock here. Similarly, you can view which items are out of stock by clicking on Out of Stock. Now you know how to set up your inventory. Congratulations! Go ahead and set up your inventory in QuickBooks.